Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify connect Webflow forms to Airtable step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Open the project that contains the form you want to connect. Navigate to the Forms section in the project settings. Select the specific form you wish to set up with Airtable. Next, go to your Airtable account and create a new base if you haven't done so already. Set up a table within the base that corresponds to the fields in your Webflow form. Make sure each column in your Airtable table matches the form fields in Webflow. Now, open Zapier in a new tab. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. For the trigger, search for and select Webflow. Choose Form Submission as the trigger event. Connect your Webflow account to Zapier by following the authentication prompts. Once connected, select the specific Webflow site and form you want to use. Click Test Trigger to ensure Zapier can retrieve form submission data. Next, for the action, search for and select Airtable. Choose Create Record as the action event. Connect your Airtable account to Zapier using your Airtable API key. Once connected, select the base and table where you want the form submissions to be sent. Map the fields from your Webflow form to the corresponding fields in Airtable. Double-check that all required fields are properly mapped. Click Test Action to verify that submissions are correctly sent to Airtable. If the test is successful, your Zap is ready to go. Name your Zap and turn it on. Return to your Webflow project and publish any changes. Now, test your form by submitting a sample entry. Check your Airtable base to confirm that the submission appeared as a new record. Once confirmed, your Webflow form is successfully connected to Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.